Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to DecorA, your go to place for all things garden related. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic garden border and etching design ideas that will elevate your outdoor space. If you are looking to enhance your garden's aesthetic and functionality, you are in the right spot. Whether you prefer a classic rustic or modern look, garden borders can add structure and style to your garden. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks. Let's start with some garden edging ideas. Using materials like reclaimed wood, bricks, or stones, you can create beautiful borders at a low cost. Plus, edging lets you personalize your garden to your taste. Consider using wooden pallets for a rustic look. Simply cut them into desired length and arrange them around your flower beds. This not only defines your space but also gives it a charming appeal. Another fantastic option is stone and pebble borders. They not only serve a practical purpose but also add elegance to your landscape. Using natural stones or concrete pavers offers durability. They can withstand weather changes and blend seamlessly with your garden. For those looking for low maintenance options, consider plastic or metal edging. They come in various designs and are easy to install, making them perfect for busy gardeners. Plus, they provide a clean and straight edge, enhancing your garden's overall look. If you love plants, why not create a border with your favorite flowers or shrubs? This combination not only beautifies your space but also attracts pollinators. Consider using taller plants in the back and shorter ones in the front. The layering effect adds depth and dimension to your garden design. Borders are not just for flower beds, they can also define pathways. Incorporate edging along your garden paths for a cohesive look. This is not guides visitors through your garden but also enhances safety by clearly making where to walk. So, I hope these garden borders and edging design ideas inspire you to create the garden of your dream. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your own gardening tips in the comments below. Subscribe for more gardening inspirations and check out our other videos for practical advice and stunning garden tours. Until next time, happy gardening.